Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to play a game called Question versus Statement. Dun, da, da, dun. Okay, so first things first. A question is when you ask somebody something that you would want to know the answer to. So, when you have a question, you would use a question mark at the end of the sentence. A statement is different. A statement is when you're telling somebody something. And a statement ends with a period at the end. Let me show you. This sentence says, I see a cat. What goes at the end? Is it a question or a statement? A question means I want to know something. A statement means I'm telling you something. I see a cat. What goes at the end? It's a period. I see a cat is a statement. Let's try another one. I like to go to art. I'm telling you something, so I will put a period at the end. That's a statement. What is your favorite color? I'm asking a question here. What's your favorite color? I want to know the answer. So, this is a question. Who has the most dojo points? I'm wondering something. I really want to know who has the most dojo points. So this must be a question. Now it's your turn to play the question versus statement game. Dun, da, da, dun. To play the game, you will need these materials. You need a question mark on a stick and a period on a stick. Pause the video and get your materials now. Okay, stallions, I'm going to read this first sentence to you, and you're going to hold up the popsicle stick that you think has the right punctuation for the end. So in your right hand, you should have a question mark. In your left hand, you should have the period. Have them both in your hands and get them ready. Ready? Okay, let's see what it says. I have recess today. What goes at the end? Hold it up super high in the sky. Is it the period or the question mark? I have recess today. I am telling you something. That is a statement. I hope you got it right. On to the next. Put both your popsicles down and get them ready. What time do I have lunch? Hold up the popsicle stick. Which one do you think it is? A statement or a question? Dun, dun, dun. It's a question. Good job. Put your popsicle sticks down. We'll try it again. Who is going to be the line leader this week? What goes at the end? Am I telling you something or asking a question? Hold up your popsicle stick. Did you get it right? Good job. Put your popsicle sticks down. Let's go to another one. I can't wait until I earn a dojo prize. What goes at the end? Am I telling you something or asking a question? I am telling you something. It's a statement, so hold up the right popsicle stick. You should have held up the period. All right, put your stick down. I sit in a red chair. Hold up your popsicle stick. Which one do you think it is? It's a statement. Okay, let's do one more. How old are you? Am I asking a question or telling you a statement? How old are you? Hold up your popsicle stick. Which one do you think it is? It's a question. Great job playing. Now, I want you to go on the Seesaw app, make a video of yourself with this stick. Think of something you want to ask your teacher. Think of one question. Hold up your question mark to show your teacher that you know how to ask a question. Bye, Stallions.